Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. This is Stella's Secret Place, saying hello to every one of you. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking lentil beans, and over here I'm going to show you guys my ingredients. That is lentil beans, and you all know that it is loaded with proteins. So I have my carrots that I'm going to be dicing. I have my tomatoes. I'm using plum tomatoes. I have scotch bonnet pepper. I have my onion, and I have the spring onion. Like I said, lentil beans. That is what you are seeing over here. They have different store brand, and that is the green onion that I'm going to use. I'm going to chop the carrots, my tomatoes, raw or plum tomatoes. I'm going to be grinding every one of them in the blender. So I have them in the blender, and I'm going to blend it till it becomes smooth. Over here I have my groundnut oil in the pot. I just added salt and onion. I'm going to fry my onion to the level whereby I start seeing the burnt. I start seeing it burning. I want to get that taste into that oil. So I have to allow it to fry very well. I just added a spoon of turmeric powder. You can use curry if you want to. You see my onion is burnt. I like the flavor. So I'm going to be frying the blended tomatoes, onion, pepper together. I will allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. As I'm waiting for it to be cooked, I will go ahead and start dicing the other ingredients, the vegetables that I want to add into the lentil beans. So I will dice my carrot, dice it to the shape that you like. I'm going to cut mine to be chunky. So my carrot is diced. I'm dicing my green onion. You're either green onion or spring onion. So as soon as I finish dicing everything, I will put them aside and go over to check how the sauce is doing. So I can see that it's a little bit getting ready. I will allow it to cook very well. So because I'm making a vegan lentil, I am not going to add meat stock. I will add water to it. So this is the lentil that I'm going to use. I have to wash it very well. Give it a quick wash. Wash it very well. It's not really dirty, but it's good you wash your seeds before you start cooking them. So now that I've finished washing it, like I said, you have to add water into the sauce. I'm not going to use any chicken sauce because I'm making vegan lentil beans. So I added water. I just added the beans and the sauce. At this point, I will bring it to a boil. Once it boils, I will now turn down the heat. The heat is low and I will allow it to be cooking on a low heat. This is very rich in protein. And for those of you that don't like to eat meat, this is good for you. Please like and share my video. I will really appreciate. If you have not subscribed to me, please go ahead and do that. So the beans is ready, the lentil is ready. I'm now adding the vegetables. The carrots, the onion and the spring onion. It depends on what you like. You can decide to dice potato into it, but I'm just making mine as strictly vegetable. At this point, you can reduce your heat, test for salt, and you see it's ready. So I'm dishing it into my bowl. If you want it to be thicker than this, it's up to you. But I like mine to be liquidy. When I'm eating it, it's like I'm taking soup. So guys, this is the lentil beans that is ready. Vegan lentil beans. And you can tell that is looking delicious. I did not allow my carrots to be really soft. I like eating it and feel the crunchiness in it. If you want yours to be really soft, you give it a longer cook. But I think the heat from the pot will melt it in a little while. So thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.